Namaste. Welcome to Reproductive Health, your trusted source for high quality Ayurvedic herbs. We are excited to announce the arrival of fresh new stock of Safed Musli, a renowned herb known for its numerous health benefits. Safed Musli is traditionally used to boost energy, stamina and overall well-being. At Reproductive Health, we source our Safed Musli from trusted farmers to ensure it meets the highest quality standards. Our commitment to purity and authenticity is unwavering. To purchase your supply, please contact our sales executive. Get the numbers from the top of the screen. Thanks for watching.